Okay, let's have a quick look at the solo clear, mute clear and solo and mute buttons for each channel. So if you have a look at what happens on screen visually as I press the solo button for various channels, we get the top three channels, or channels 1, 2 and 3 in this case, soloed, and everything else is greyed out as muted. And likewise, if I was to mute the top three channels, they'd be greyed out and everything else is still active. And if I use the mute clear, that will get rid of all the muted channels. And of course, if I do this the opposite and solo clear, so I've soloed channels 1, 2 and 3, solo clear gets rid of them. So that's really handy when you may have some solo channels that are banked over to the fader bank that you can't see on the right hand side or the left, depending on where you are in your bank of faders or various banks of faders. So just hitting solo clear if you're finding that you can't hear certain channels, or mute clear if you think certain channels might be muted from what you've been doing off the current fader bank somewhere else, and that should get it sorted pretty quickly. So let's just take a quick listen to this in action. If I press play, that's channel 1 soloed.